Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. This video is like having another virtual teacher. Students, I will guide you through this entire investigation on angles and teach you how to help you with your work without giving away the answers. At different points during the video, I will prompt you to pause the video so you can take time to answer a question or solve a problem. Pause the video so you can do that. When ready, press play to proceed with the next part of the lesson. Day 2, Relationship of Angles, Part 2. How can we describe special angles? Specifically, how can we use adjacent angles made of polygons to find angle measures? A polygon is a closed figure or shape made of straight line segments. This is a polygon because it's closed. But if it were like this, then it would be open, like an open door, and that's not a polygon. When it's closed like this is a polygon. All these shapes are polygons because they're closed figures made of straight lines. We will also call them pattern blocks, and sometimes we'll just call them shapes. Remember, students, anytime you see the pencil icon in a light blue box, write your response. Introduction, Slide A. Examine the images below. What do you notice? Pause the recording here to reflect, work, and write your answer. Then press play to continue. Let's remember that an angle measures rotation or turning of one line segment compared to another around a vertex, which is a meeting point. Let's also remember that adjacent angles are right next to each other. They share a ray, BC, and they share a vertex, in this case, B. Angle ABC and angle CBT, these two angles are adjacent to each other. They're right next to each other. Finally, let's remember the types of angles that we discussed in the last lesson. Right angles, 90 degrees, obtuse, greater than 90 degrees, acute, less than 90 degrees, and straight angles, which make 180 degrees. Let's also remember that inside every 90-degree angle, we often inscribe a little square, because each angle inside a square is 90 degrees. Now you're ready for Slide B. Use your answers from Slide A and the concepts we reviewed together to answer the questions on Slide B. What is the measurement of angle A and how do you know? Pause the recording here to work and write your response, then discuss with each other and the teacher as instructed. Then press play to continue. Even though your explanations may be different, it's important that we all know that angle A is definitely 90 degrees. Question 2. What is the measurement of angle A plus angle B plus angle C? Pause the recording here to reflect, work, and write your answer. Then press play to continue. Since each angle, A, B, and C, are at the vertex of a square, each one is 90 degrees. So there are a few different ways to find the answer. One way, of course, is to add them. 90 plus 90 plus 90. And our answer is 270 degrees. What's another way to find the measurement of angle A plus B plus C? Pause the recording here so students can give their responses. Then press play to continue. That's right, we could also do 3 times 90 degrees and get 270. 90 times 1, 2, 3. Finally, question 3. What is the measurement of angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D? Pause the recording here to reflect, work, and write your response, then press play to continue. Whatever awesome strategies you used, The answer is 360 degrees, and this is very important. How did you find this answer? Pause the recording here to discuss your answers with each other, with the teacher, and the whole class, depending on instructions. The main idea is that angle A, which is 90, plus angle B, because they're adjacent, you can add them together, plus angle C, plus angle D, all add up to 360 degrees. Because they're adjacent angles right next to each other, we can add them all up to get 360 degrees. 90 degrees of rotation plus another 90 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 90 degrees equals 360 degrees. What shape is in the middle here when we put all the rotations of all the angles together? A plus B plus C plus D. What shape is in the middle? Pause the recording here to reflect and give your answers. Then press play to continue. What shape is in the middle? Pause the recording here. That's right, a circle. When we rotate all the way around a circle, 90, 180, 270, 360 degrees, takes us all the way around a circle with angles of rotation. When you're ready, please go to video 2.